Bonjour. My name is Wenona Gardner. I'm enrolled in the Stockbridge Munsee Band of Mohican Nation. I'm a legal descendant of the Oneida Nation of Wisconsin and a legal descendant of the Brothertown tribe of Wisconsin. I am recording this video on an update about the announcement of the passing of my mother, Eleanor Marie Soto. I am legally next of kin, and I am taking charge of arranging funeral arrangements, writing an official obituary, and establishing a formal memorial page. So far, if you go to WenonaGardner.com at WENONA Gardner, GARDNER.com, you will see that I recently posted a rest in peace Mohican, Oneida, Brothertown, medicine woman, pike carrier, Eleanor Marie Soto has passed away. You can go there and leave comments and share until the official obituary is posted online by me and the official memorial page is set up and the official funeral arrangements. I talked with Father Ed of the Congregation of the Great Spirit. As you may all know, this week is Holy Week, and I let Father Ed know of the passing of my mom, Eleanor Marie Soto. Mom and I were part of the Oneida Intertribal Singers, and we regularly sang at the Congregation of the Great Spirit Church, including the Native American Lutheran and the Native American Methodist Church, as well as Native weddings and funerals. So that was kind of like our church for many years. Father Ed knows that I am grieving, and I am planning to attend all week's ceremonies there, with the express intent of getting support from the church community and grieving the loss of my mother. So I will meet you there. And this is the following schedule. Father Ed has given an invitation to all family members, tribal members, the Milwaukee Indian community, family and friends of Milwaukee and Wisconsin. You are all welcome to come to the Congregation Great Spirit Church to mourn the loss of Eleanor Marie Soto. The following church services are as follows. Thursday, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time at the Congregation Great Spirit Church on 10th and Mitchell. Friday, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time at the Congregation Great Spirit Church at 10th and Mitchell. Saturday, 7 p.m. at the Congregation Great Spirit Church on 10th and Mitchell. Easter Sunday at the Great Lakes, Lake Michigan Lakefront, Sunday, 6 a.m. Easter Sunday morning. I am going to be there 7 at Thursday, Friday at 1, Saturday at 7, and Sunday at 6. At any of these times, you can come up to me and share your condolences, your prayers and well wishes, stories, photos, anything you want included in the obituary, anything you want included in the memorial page, and let me know that you want to be a part of the official funeral arrangements. If you want to contact me, leave a comment below. Also, you can email me at businesswenonagardner.com. That is BUSINESSWENONA Gardner, GARDNER.com. My phone number is 414-391-0565. You can text me at any time. I respond. I tend to be a night owl, so I'll be there. You can also call me. I do prefer text, but I will take calls, so please contact me. Check out the WenonaGardner.com website. Share the article. Leave comments. Come to the church services Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at the Congregation Great Spirit Church. Email me, business@WenonaGardner.com. Call me or text at 414-391-0565. I look forward to hearing you, and let's celebrate the life that is Eleanor Monteen Soto. Enrolled State Tribal ID, Brothertown Nation. Aho!